Hello student, welcome to solve this nice mathematical Olympiad problem. In this problem we are solving the value of x plus 1, x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 120. This is our question and we're finding value of x from here. So write our question: x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 120. So and this x plus 4, this and this and this, x plus 2 and x plus 3 is equal to 120. So in next, this and this, and this will be x into x square plus 1 for 4, x into 4 is 4x plus x into x is x plus 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. So x into x square plus 3x plus 2 into x, 2x plus 6 is equal to 120. So in next video, in next step, x square plus 5x, 4x plus 1x is equal to 5x plus 4. This will be x square plus 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 6 is equal to 120. So in next step, x square plus 5x plus 4 into x square plus 5x plus 4 plus this 2 is equal to 120. Now let x square this plus 5x plus 4 is equal to u. Now we are putting this, so we get u into this u plus 2 is equal to 120. This will be u square plus 2u minus 120 is equal to 0. U square plus 12u minus 10u minus 120 is equal to 0. As you noted, 120 is also 12 into 10. So in next, u into u plus 12 minus 10 into u plus 12 is equal to 0. U plus 12 into u minus 10 is equal to 0. This u and this minus 10 and this u plus 12. So in next, u minus 10 is equal to 0 and u plus 12 is equal to 0. This side and this side. So now we write this. Let u is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. Now we are recalling this equation. After recalling x square plus 5x plus 4 minus 10 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So in this x square plus 5x plus 4 plus 12 is 16 is equal to 0. And next x square minus 6x minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. And this will be now first we solve this. X into x plus 6 minus 1 and this x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then we get two sides. X plus 6 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to plus 1. We get two values of x from this, and now we're solving this side. We use this side b square minus 4ac. Now our b is 5, our a is 1 and our c is 16. 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 16, and this will be 25 minus 64 is equal to minus 39, that is greater than 0. Now a value of x is equal to minus 5 plus minus 39 divided by 2. These three are our values of x. Now this is our complex, this is our simple. Now we are checking our answer is correct or not. That we are verifying. X is equal to minus 6, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 5 plus minus under the root minus 39 divided by 2. Now this is our x, this is a value of x, this is our value of x. So we get three values of x: minus 6, 1 and minus 5 plus minus into under root minus 39 divided by 2. I think this is a good method to solve this problem. Hope you will understand. If you have any questions, write in comment box. Which is 1, x is equal to 6, x is equal to minus 5 into plus minus